In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect GoCardless with Xero so you can automatically collect payments and reconcile invoices faster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that your accounts for both Xero and GoCardless are ready. Okay? Because there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is I want you to hover on the upper right corner where you can see the apps. And then click the Open Xero App Store. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is super simple. I want you to type in GoCardless and press enter. Here, click the Get This app. Okay, because this will forward you to a page wherein you need to log in using your credentials. Now, if you don't have a GoCardless yet, you can sign up for a free account. But since I have already a GoCardless, I am going to choose the first option. And all I have to do is super simple. I am allowing Xero to connect to my GoCardless account. Now, this may take a little while, and at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the connection. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can connect GoCardless with Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.